Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and this is me, Hemant Tyagi, and today I am here with an important update. Even this is a good news for you. If you are an NCC cadet and if you completed your NCC and have an NCC C certificate, then this is going to be a golden opportunity for you. And listen carefully, L&T Energy, this is the name of company, and L&T is now hiring NCC cadets. Lot of candidates, lot of viewers are commenting to the other video like NCC have no use, but now I'm going to prove it. NCC is beneficial if you utilize it and put effort in a good direction, and I am here to provide you direction and to give you direction. Listen carefully, L&T Energy is now hiring NCC cadet for the post of administration and industrial relation assistants. Basically the work is resemble with the work of HR. This is a kind of management, and they are specially hiring for NCC cadets. Why? Because in your NCC journey you realize you improve your time management and your management, and you are more disciplined than other, so that's why they are prioritizing the NCC cadets. And the link is active now. You can apply till 31st March. I will pin the apply link in a description. You can visit to the description and click to the link and fill the form. Form is absolutely free, and the selection is free and fair. In order to get a selection, and yes, one more important thing, if I am telling you the expected salary, so you can expect around 35 to 40,000, and with some additional benefits like PF, health, and some additional benefits. Just try hard and give a try. Maybe this will lead to a new journey, and your journey starts there. So, and the most important thing, you need to be fluent. I mean, you need to have a good communication skill and spoken English. It is mentioned, and you are required to have a good communication skill. If you do not have, I'm mentioning my number, and my team will definitely gonna help you, and we will help you in improvement of your speaking skills, your power of expression. We are guiding for it, and I hold on 2 years of experience in it. And the selection process goes like your group discussion and then your interview and your see for this role. It's my advice to you. First thing, work on your physical fitness. Second thing, work on your communication. And third thing, work on your grooming, that is your bearing, your outlook. And if you need any kind of help, any kind of guidance, then you can connect to me. And stay connected. Must subscribe this channel. If you are unemployed and you are looking for a job, then definitely this channel gonna help you. And there's a lot of other parallel vacancies, like airline is hiring, Reliance GCS is hiring. Form filling of Reliance GCS starts with 1st of April, and you can apply there to the Reliance also. And there's a lot of opportunity, and till now none of the YouTuber or creators connect to this all vacancies. So I am here to update you. Thank you. Jai Hind.